Boom, I'm getting ready to do a live event here in a couple minutes. One of the things that we're going to talk about is something that you need to realize. If you work in sales, if you work in business development, you've probably been taught to overcome objections. Most of the time, trying to overcome an objection, completely wrong thing to do. Here's what you need to realize. 90% of the things that you're facing in your career right now that you're labeling as an objection and you're trying to overcome, it's not an objection at all. It's just a complaint. You need a sales process that keeps things light, keeps them moving forward, and helps you know the difference between an objection and a complaint so you're not overcoming complaints. Most of the time, everybody is going to have some sort of complaint, something to bitch about, something that they don't like, but it doesn't mean that they're not going to do business with you. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.